Okay, we are now parked up in the industry. We have the 911 Carrera, Kevin's Bmw M2. We have the M4 Avus again, our Porsche, and we got some two special guests over here. The Ferrari SF90 Aventador SVJ. Those cars are just stunning in still life. 1000 horsepower. Not sure about that one, 600, 700. But I think it's time for another drive. The boys. And head on to the restaurant. So I'm going to do a bit of a commentary because I didn't film too much because I was a bit overwhelmed by all the things I had to plan and stuff like that. Yeah, you know the drill. And at this point we were lining up to take off for our tour. I want to do a big shout out to Michiel, put his Instagram right here, and Robert, right here, for the amazing work they did with the pictures for me. I really appreciate that. The most difficult part of the day, giving your son the keys of the Porsche. Right now we're driving in the Convoy with the SF90, SVJ, the boys up front. This is nice, pretty nice. Just enjoying those moments. Okay, we have arrived at the next stop with all the cars. This is actually my workplace. Okay, you can't see that much with the sun. Yeah, going for a quick lunch. Okay, good. I sneaked out of the restaurant to give you guys a full look at all the cars. So we have here our Porsche Macan. My dad let me drive it. That was pretty cool. I did some mild accelerations. Here we have the M4 Avus, Kevin's M2 again, the Porsche 911 Carrera, and my friend's is SVJ in a sick matte golden color, and then the SF90 with a full 1000 horsepower. Just a look at this lineup, boys. Still quite epic that we managed to get all those cars. Okay, let's bring the brightness up. In 2 years of time, we got all our friends together to celebrate this special moment. Just enjoy those cars. I'm gonna head on in because everyone's looking at me right there, but it's pretty cool.
kun je het ook nog met zijn blijven was. Dan had hij zelf gemaakt met ons voor de kleine.
Sun is shining. Oh man, I love it. It feels like summer. We also have the police in front of us, so we actually need to be a bit careful. Okay, and we're back home. I'm just gonna end up today's video right here. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.